Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Fanie Naude here, and welcome to another one of my Monday videos. Today we're going to specifically talk about our new workshop. It's going to be 40K in 4 weeks. This is going to be our very first workshop that we're going to present. This is basically going to be how many people can we get to increase their revenue by 40,000 in 4 weeks. So stay tuned for the rest of this video to see all of the details. So let's start off by saying we have never run a workshop before. How we've been doing business for the last couple of years is one-on-one sessions, scaling up the practice quite slowly, making sure nothing breaks, seeing what works best and so forth. But right now we've such an influx of people that want to work with us and want extra results, but they don't have the massive budget for marketing. They don't have all of those set up prices, and they basically just want to scale up their practice. But there's so many, we cannot spend one-on-one time with so many people at one time. So this is basically us transitioning into more of a group setting to see can we present a workshop to go through everything that we know is working in the market right now to increase your revenue, basically signing up at least 8 clients at 5,000 Rand per month, or you can sign up 1 client for 40,000. We really don't care. We just want to boost your revenue. We want to teach you and basically go through that fundamental stage of laying the foundations for your practice. We usually take a long time to go through this process, but right now we want to see people are struggling, people don't have the money to spend on ads and all of those sort of things. So let's just boost your revenue as fast as possible, that you can get to the stage where you can automate your client acquisition, basically automate your marketing, automate the leads coming in, that you can get consistent leads all the time. But for this, you need to go through a process. You need to lay the right foundations. You cannot just go now and just start running ads. You're most probably going to lose all of that money, and that's not what we want at the end of the day. We want the proof of concept with your marketing message that's really resonating with your market. And this is what that first 4 weeks is going to be. We're going to go through everything, teach you everything, how to do all of the organic marketing, how to pick your niche, how to go through all of those processes, just so that we can sign up a bunch of new clients within those 4 weeks and then basically scale from there, because then you have that proof of concept, you have that foundation laid correctly, and then we can scale up that practice like you've never seen before. Like you don't know how much results you get once you really resonate with your specific target market or your niche. So just as a disclaimer, guys, this is not for everybody. Like, this is not for the guys that's going to be complaining about it's hard or it's difficult or I don't have time and or what am I supposed to do with these clients if I sign them up? If you can't deliver service, this is not for you. Like, you need to know what's going on. We're going to teach you how to get those clients, but you'll need to do the work. Like, make no mistake, we'll be doing weekly sessions teaching you step by step what to do. But if you won't go out and do the work, nothing's going to ever work for you. Like, nothing's ever going to work if you don't put in the time. So if you don't have capacity or time to spend on getting new clients, delivering results for those clients, joining our weekly sessions, going through all of the material, this is definitely not going to be for you, because we want a tight group of people that we can really work hard with. We're going to push really hard to get to those goals that you really want. We want to get you through this, that within the next couple of months, your practice is unrecognizable from where you are right now. So this is going to be extremely exciting. We're going to use this opportunity to launch our new platform. We've been doing some low-key promotions for our platform to see, what's the results. We have a bunch of interest for this, but we decided, well, to test the platform is going to be the best opportunity to basically present a workshop and show results up front. So we haven't decided, are we going to do workshops like every month or like throughout the year, because we don't know what the results is going to be. So if we get massive results for those people in the first one, great, we're going to charge a lot higher price for the next one, because we know exactly what the result is. this workshop is just going to be the same price as the platform. So what we're going to do now for the next 2 weeks is we're going to promote a little bit more about this workshop and our platform. And if you sign up before the launch, you will be part of this workshop, working tightly with us for 4 weeks to see if we can boost your revenue by at least 40,000. So this is what we're doing now. I know, guys, I don't do a lot of promotions and I don't do a lot of advertising and all of those sort of things, but this is basically just to drive a little bit more excitement to our platform, because we want to create that, let's say, accounting community to give you the best circumstances for growth in your practice. Yes, you're going to get all of our courses. Yes, you're going to get all of those sort of things. Specifically for the workshop, you're going to have, if you sign up early, you're going to get trainings to prepare for the workshop, that you know what we're going to do in the first week, that you basically have that running start. And we really want basically the cream of the crop to join this workshop. Like if you don't want success, you're basically lazy and you don't want to do the work, please don't apply. But this is for if, yes, you want to grow, yes, you're willing to put in the work, and you are ready to be teachable. Because this is going to be some, let's say the best strategies that we've seen working in the industry so far. We're going to teach this to you. And if you at the end of the day say, no, I don't believe this is going to work, I'm not going to do it, I don't believe in this, you're not teachable, this is not going to work for you. So what we want to do now is we want to see, okay, is there interest in a workshop like this? A workshop where we really guide you on how to succeed. So drop us a comment below, say interested. If you're interested in this, we're going to give you the sign up links to sign up for this workshop as well. And everybody that signs up before the launch for our platform is going to be part of our first workshop. So this is going to be extremely exciting for us and for you, because this is going to be the best of the best. Everything that we've learned over the last couple of years are going to be taught to you within those 4 weeks to see how much success that you can have. So I hope I didn't promote this too hard, but this is basically what we're going to do for the next couple of weeks. So check out in the group. There's going to be some more postings around this, what you're interested about. Are you willing to join this workshop? So give us some comments on this video and check out for next and more of the details coming through the next couple of weeks. Remember, this is for June the 1st. We want to launch on the June the 1st, the platform and the workshop. So we really want to create some excitement around this. So thank you, everybody. And I really hope that you are excited for this workshop as much as we are. So thank you, and I'll see you later this week again. Thanks, everybody.